Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the therapeutic benefits of Thai herbal compresses, and we're going to base our video on a recent systematic review that has shed light on the therapeutic benefits of Thai herbal compresses in the management of conditions like osteoarthritis, muscle pain, labor pain, and even its role in inducing lactation. And I'm going to link the article and the study in the description box below this video. And in this video we're going to dive into the findings, exploring the link between the effects and the active herbal components used in these traditional practices. Now let's talk about the role of Thai herbal compresses in osteoarthritis management. Now the review emphasizes the endorsement of heat and physiotherapy as a non-pharmacological interventions for osteoarthritis, aligning with 10 out of the 17 clinical practice guidelines. Notably, herbal compresses deliver therapeutic heat. These are a wonderful, promising method to the clinical efficiency in treating knee osteoarthritis. Now, the inclusion of key ingredients such as turmeric and Zingiber montanum further amplifies its potential, and the study cites a trial where turmeric extract has managed to be the rival of ibuprofen, indicating the significance of herbal components. However, the question arises about the efficiency of topical turmeric application in herbal compresses, considering the low solubility of natural curcumin, which is the active compound found in turmeric. Now, this calls for further investigations in order to determine the practicality of achieving clinical benefits through this wonderful traditional approach. Now let's talk about the role of Zingiber montanum. Now, this is a wonderful herbal ingredient in the compress, and it is highlighted for its role in improving osteoarthritis symptoms. A study pairing ginger and play gel determined the efficiency comparable to diclofenac gel in relieving joint pain, presenting the herb Zingiber montanum as a key player in herbal compress formulations. Also, let's talk about the pain reduction and anti-inflammatory effects. Now, while the review suggests that the herbal compress demonstrated pain reduction in osteoarthritis comparable to the oral non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, the lack of information on anti-inflammatory markers warrants further investigation. Now, let's dive into the role of herbal compresses in muscle pain and labor pain. Now, the efficiency of herbal compresses in treating muscle pain aligns with the known effectiveness of heat. Yet, evidence on the specific effects of herbal components on muscle pain reduction remains limited. Even for labor pain reduction, heat appears to be the primary tool used. So what about inducing lactation and the safety concerns about that? Herbal compresses demonstrated a wonderful effect on increasing milk production, resonating with findings from studies on breast warming. However, safety concerns linger as the majority of the studies do not systematically measure or report adverse effects. So the therapeutic potential of Thai herbal compresses driven by heat and specific herbal components have wonderful benefits from osteoarthritis management to pain reduction and inducing lactation. This wonderful traditional practice proves to be very flexible. However, the diversity in herbal compresses recipes and the quality emphasizes the need for standardized practices. Safety concerns, though they are minimal, they warrant further exploration in order to ensure the holistic well-being of individuals seeking the relief through this wonderful form of therapy. As Thai herbal medicine continues to gain recognition, there needs to be further studies that will unravel its full potential and explore its rightful place. If you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.